kumakain si...
Oh my God! So huge!
Ayan. Nagbibideo siya ngayon.
Ay, kinain mo na yung hipon?
Yeah?
Di mo?
Huwag kinain yan. Ayun o.
Ay, oo.
Ikaw, Sheldon, gusto mo
Di mo
ito?
nakita?
Pag may kita? Hindi ka talaga kumakain. Ha?
Bakit kayo sumasagot?
Oo.
Pero ang sagot nyo ay... Ang sagot ay...
Oh my God, rainbow!
Pinaulit-ulit ko sa inyo.
Wait, where?
Kung ano talaga. Anong Filipino term sa gamit na mananahit na panunukat ng tape measure?
Oh my God. Look at my... Sheldon, let's look at his garden. What?
Nilalaka nila. Galit.
Kaya soda pa.
Ano kayo nakikita ka siguro Medina?
I'm in... What the... How? Ow! So cool!
Ano pong tinatahi nyo?
So big. I know, right?
Ano makakatahi kung walang karayong?
There's an Abby!
Anong Filipino term sa gamit na mananahit na panukat na tape measure? Ang sagot niya, Medina. Anong tamang sagot, mga people?
Medina.
Medina sa...
Ay, sandali lang. Para makumpleto natin ang jackpot prize, nakuha mo, Medina, ang final na mga ang final tanong namin, sino yung katabi mong babae dito kanina? Sino ang ano pangalan?
Oh my God, I'm cool. I'm almost there. No!
Tamang sagot sa inyo ng jackpot prize na 50,000!
Oh my God. Nasa voice chat. Kumain ka. Temo mo kayo. Kumaya. Oh, ah! Wait, oh, that was just odd. Sheldon, what? You have so... Oh my God, look at your bamboo. You're the luckiest person. No! I just How tall is that? Oh my God, that's taller. Look at my bamboo. Oh my God, what's that? Your bamboo is moonlit.
I-follow niyo po kami sa mga social media pages natin. Ni Aguinaldos at Timosh. Ilan po yan?
Yes, si Moshi. Si Moshi.
Man,
Correct. Baka may gusto kayo radio.
don't sell ano.
Starting to be rich, huh? Right?
Emily! Itritak!
Maraming salamat. Vamos ang Wamonet family at the Aguinaldos kung sakali ay babad.
Kilala sa
Sa'yo ay taramba dito sa...
You can have the Ember Lily. I already have Ember Lily. We were just doggy.
Tapos na sa pagbaligyan ng our show!
Wait, I think you're too poor. Wait, oh. Sheldon, you sold all your money.
Nagkaling ka dito, baka pupunta ka.
Wait, how much money is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, you can't buy it. Sorry, Sheldon. You can't buy it.
Oh, tapos na si Sheldon.
Ay,
Ikaw na lang, baby ko.
Bigyan mo na kay Sheldon. Bigyan natin.
Bigyan na kay Sheldon. Yung okra, di mo kinain. Baby! Ano na?
Ayoko na.
Egg yan? Ayaw mo?
Hindi yung okra.
Sige, yung okra. Kaya mo na. Basta kainin yung rice, ubusin na.
Don't worry, Sheldon. I'm giving you. I'm gonna give you my Ember Lily. Oh, I got my apples. Sheldon, look.
Uulan
Go
yan.
sell that fast.
Hapon daw yan maulan.
Ano naman?
Ano kaya?
Oh. What? What? Join again. What do you mean I'm applying? Let me invite you.
Oh, may motor yan.
Try ko mag-scam.
Makakala wala ka.
Try ko mag-scam sa Grow Garden. Oh no! It restock. What's that? Ember Lily. What kind of weather is that? It's Ember Lily. Said what kind of weather is that? What kind of weather? It's the it's the tornado. It makes your fruit twisted. Higher chance.
Pastor po.
Oh, I thought this is not egg. This come to Shadow's garden is very important. Here you go, your first like.
Cellphone.
Okay, Sheldon yun.
Eh, lolo.
Tutu shelter. Look, I'm gonna dance up top of this. You're flying, and I'm flying. Let me fly. Sheldon, let me check what is in stock. Yes, I'm jumping, bro. No, mango. 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 It is raining seconds. Hey, that's not mango. I know. That's a mango. You just bought it. Okay, go there, go in there. Inventory, here's your mango. Put your mango in the here. In there, in there, in there. There. Better. Oh, just kidding. Big bamboo.
Check out K-Drama on Spotify to see our new podcast.
Send all your inventory. Wait, oh no, you like it, this. If you like this, no, this is what I like. If you like this, you can't sell that. I just bought 2 pumpkins. Oh, 2 pumpkins. Where did you go? Oh, you're lucky. No way! No way! Why there is burning bad?
No way, where's the burning bug? I just shoveled him.
Oh my god, huh? How? What? What?
Get out. Get out.
What the? What the?
Soda pop.
What the?
Soda pop. Oh, trap. I'm trapped in there.
Where are you, Top? Just jump. Just jump. There's an invisible spot. No, you can't find me, Sheldon. This is the secret hiding spot. Hello, Sheldon. I see you.
Look at me. Look at me.
I saw that. I saw that. You drip. You drippy. My little soda pop. No, I don't like it. Sheldon, Mango Seed is still here. Why Mango Seed is still here? Look at my mango seed. What? 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 I'm gonna buy it anyways.
Ano ka na-cactus mo sa doon?
Malaki? Hindi ko alam kung malaki. Look at my cactus, so big. Let me put it here.
Buy me if you want.
Oh my God, Shinsa! Why is he stuck? Did you try to prank me?
I try to prank everyone.
Bro, you need to say it in the chat so they will get pranked. I'm mad today. No one is giving me money.
Bukas siya magbabayad.
I scammed you.
Binigay. Sinabi mo. Binigay daw siya. Ating pala niya.
No, I just survived super damage.
Ganyan, babae. Si Bobo.
Oh no! He's gonna steal my money! Oh no! A crab is gonna steal my money!
Faster, faster! Faster, my enemy crab!
Wait! You're a crab! You're gonna steal my money!
Attack! Attack!
They're stealing my money! They won't get me here. This crab is dumb. Yay! He's dead! Haha! You can't get my money! Okay, bye guys! Hot tree. Helping show.